So what we'll be building now is the blog page. So that's what we'll be building now. So the blog will be rounding up our 5 pages. Then after the blog page, what we just need to do is to work on our menu and our footer. So we'll go into e-commerce website. I know to some extent it has been wonderful so far. I'm really happy you've stayed to this very length. And I know to some extent, even after this 5 page website, you can begin to build one or two things and as well earn good income from this knowledge you've accessed. But we always love to move further. Let's beyond the 5 page website. We need to go into e-commerce websites and other websites we want to develop. Okay, so let's carry on. So what you just need to do now is that our blog page, we need to use the post part. We are not going to create page now because we want to create a blog, so we use the post. So now just add new. So mention the network is a little bit slow tonight. And now that we have the page loaded already, so let's give our page a title, Apple Blog. So let's publish 1, 2. Then we'll be editing with Elementor. So let's continue with Elementor to become better with it. This editor here is called Gutenberg. So that is your default WordPress editor. So do you see publishing? You can play with that one whenever you want. But I would desire to take you through the best, and Elementor is the best compared to Gutenberg. Okay, so now that we already have our Elementor page loaded already, so now there is one thing I'm going to show you for the blog page. Before we've been doing these particular settings for the other particular page, we'll make the page layout Elementor width. But for this blog post, let's leave it like this so you can have the blog features. It will have the side widgets and to have the comment section. So let's leave it like that. So what we just need to do is we need to add the title for just one section. We need to add the header. So this makes it the header. That's the title of our blog. So let's make it H1 and large. So let's centralize it. Let's just give it the title, Apple headphone. That's the title we are giving to this. Don't forget we'll be using a consistent font all throughout. So let's just quickly do that. So we are going to turn this one to that's kind of dark apple color, not really black. Okay, something like this. So let's work on the font. Just tap that vertical that we'll be using. And so the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to add an image. So I'm going to add an image. So the blog we are building now is just a blog that has an image. So what we just need to do now is let's choose an image for that. See, to some extent the blog page has a unique setting of its own. We are going to say it's going to look like, so it will look like a blog. Okay, so we just add this headphone to it, then insert it. Okay, so we have, okay, so we already have the image with a cool size. So the size is okay, a cool size. So what we just need to do, you just need to add some text. That's text editor. So you just copy that. Okay, so just copy that. Let's just copy that and paste so we have enough text. Good. So you have enough text. So that's how a blog looks like. So this is a blog. You are just having image and what and text. So let's update and see how it looks like. The network is really very slow, so that is why it's behaving like this. The network is really poor. So now they say add download. Now they're asking us if we want to add download, so we can just tap to add download. Okay, so that is our blog. The write-ups look somehow right. I think let's get a better write-up compared to this one. So just clean this, then dummy text. So Control C to copy that dummy text that I just got. I believe I've showed you how to get that. Okay, don't need these ones. Leave page. So what I just need to do is just Control V. So I have that there. Good. So I just need to paste another one, then remove the header. Okay. So now it looks like a blog, right? So what I just need to do to this particular header. Okay. So now I promised you that there will be no code in this. There will be zero code, but for this session, like I would like you to just follow me with this simple HTML code. It's a very simple one. So you just add tag, then center, tag again, and come to this place, tag, center, so please just pardon me, let's just do a little coding. Now that we have the H2, so just come to this place. What I did was I came to the text. This is the code aspect of this particular writing. So what you just need to do here is this. Say what is remove some strong. So just type this tag, enter, center rather, and can you see it has adjusted it to the center, but I just need to end this tag by writing this center. So just follow what I wrote. So what I first wrote, I open this tag, then center, then close it, and I came to this place. I also wrote from this place tag, then slash, then center, then close it. So that's what I did, and you see it has brought it to this center. So that is just the little code I just wanted to write. I apologize for taking you through this, because my promise earlier was zero code, and zero code means no code, but now we've written to HTML code. So I really apologize for that, and I'm also happy you did that little code, because I know it has a way of making you advance compared to the level of zero code. Okay, so we can just update that. So that's our title. We already have the title like that. So even if I don't want to make this like this, what I just need to do is I just need to bring in a header, just place it there. So I just need to bring in a header, place it there, then centralize it. I'll just clean off this one, but I don't want to clean off that one, so that's why I did that particular code. So let me just, sorry, I just cancelled everything. So we just need to do that again. So let's add a text editor into it, then clean everything, then lorem ipsum again. So we just erase everything we have here, just like we did before. So let's just erase from that, we remove some. So what we just need to do is this. So now follow me again to the text. We want to make this one centralized. So what you just need to do is open a tag, right center inside that tag, then close the tag. So you see that centralized again. So you just need to end that tag by writing this same code, then close it. So that's all. So update. So we already have our blog, our simple blog. Now this blog obviously is talking about this headset, this Apple headphone. Now there is one thing they call affiliate marketing, and I'm going to explain you what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is the kind of marketing that you sign in, or you sign up with a particular website, maybe an e-commerce website or a dropship website, or any website that renders services for money. So now what you're going to do is that you're going to sign up with them as an affiliate, and when you sign up with them as an affiliate, you have the opportunity to use the affiliate link given to you when you sign up to market their products. And once they make any sale via your link, you will get a commission. The commission can be 10%, can be 40%, can be 70%, can be 90%, can as well be 100%, but it is very rare for you to see 100% commission for yourself as an affiliate. So, but nevertheless, you get a good commission. Now, there are so many people that have affiliates that have become affiliates with some companies like Amazon, like AliExpress, like ClickBank. So many affiliate companies out there, and seriously, majority of them are white companies. If you're Nigerian, the Nigerian company I know that also gives affiliates is Jumia and Konga. I know of Jumia, I know of Konga. So personally, I have an affiliate. I'm an affiliate with Amazon, but some time ago, it wasn't really functioning because I wasn't using it. But I checked this evening and I noticed that I was still recognized. Can you see? Arranges.amazon.com. So this is my. I would even love to confirm if my affiliate link is still active, but they recognize my account with Amazon. So now what am I trying to say here is that I am an affiliate with Amazon, and now this is one of the products I can access as an affiliate with Amazon. So what do I need to do? I just need to get the link of this product. So I've copied the link already, so I just Control C. Sorry, I've highlighted the link already, so now Control C to copy. So now let me assume that this is that product in Amazon, right? And I'm creating a blog for that particular product. And the reason why I'm creating a blog for that particular product is to tell people about that particular product, tell them the good things and what they stand to benefit for that particular product. If I want to make money with my affiliate link, I need to tell them nice things, I need to tell them wonderful things, I need to tell them things that will catch their attention so that they can purchase that particular product. So now what you need to do, you need to add, once you've dropped the image of the product and you've written the blog, you've written everything you need to write about the product. So what you need to do is that you need to bring a call to action. Your call to action can be a button, your call to action can be a link. But it's always advisable you use something very visible, because whenever your customer or user read things like that, one of the things that runs through their mind is, how can I get it? Are you getting that? So if you don't give them a call to action, they might end up leaving your website to go and search for it somewhere else, and they will buy it and you won't get any commission. You understand? So that is one of the reasons why you need to be an affiliate and get a special affiliate link. So here we'll be adding a button. So I'll be adding a button to this particular blog. So we just give it you already know how to design a button. I believe you are now a professional to some extent. So what we just need to do, we just need to increase this to make it round. We're working with a round button since, and centralize this button. Let's change the color to something nice, okay, to fit our page. So the over, let me just try to add something wonderful as well. Okay, so let me just take this towards this place. So it's almost the same thing. So let me raise it up. Okay, I think it's not hovering. So that is it. So what I just need to do now is to centralize this button, and let's go to the content to centralize it. So now let's centralize it. Now the next thing we need to do now is to add that link. So come to the link part. Now Control V. So I've pasted that link there. So another thing I just need to do is, so that I won't be kicked out of my website, I need to do the settings, then open a new tab. Good. So now let's update this and see what we have in our page. Okay. So this is what we have. Let's just preview and see what we have. Okay, so now we are previewing. Okay, good. So this is our blog. Now somebody just came to our website and now Apple headphone. Wow, what is the review sum? Obviously you won't put the review sum here. You put what is Apple headphone and the likes and everything, and you tell them about it. So the person is like, okay, so we just click here. Now this is not really a good call to action for this kind of blog. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this text from click here to get it. Get it. So now I'm just trying to tell them to get this particular thing or buy now. It's a good call to action for a blog like this. So you need to understand the best call to action to relate with your customers or your users, or your customers, your users, any kind of name you prefer to give to them, I think is okay. So let's see what we have here. So now it has updated itself to buy now. So now when you tap this button, what it will do is that it open a new tab and it take them straight to this Amazon whatever. Now once this person buys this thing, I get a commission, I get some amount of money. Now they are selling this for $99.99 and they are going to ship it to Nigeria with an addition of $197.75. Now if my commission there is 30%, no, I'll be getting around $50 to $60 as an affiliate. Are you getting that? So now once this person purchases this stuff, well, just voila. So I'm getting my money straight, and what I just need to do is that once my money gets to a level I can cash out, I just need to tell Amazon I want to cash out, and what they do is that they drop the money into my account. Now I'm going to open this up. Right in the website where this tutorial, while you are watching this tutorial, I also decided to make it an affiliate website as well, where the students who are learning can also earn money from this particular website. So what you just need to do, like I've explained, is just sign up as an affiliate, get your special link, share it to your friends who doesn't know about this course. So once you register, you get a commission of at least 10%, and I know to some extent if you have more people, you get more. So, and the reason why I did this is because I've learned from the white, obviously, and I noticed that one of the reasons for their success is because they understand the place of more than one person. So they don't really, their system to some extent believe in, when I help you to stand, a time is coming when you also have no choice but to help me to also stand. And I believe it's a good mindset when you work as a team, and when you work when you decide not to work alone. And that's one of the reasons why they brought this affiliate setting. It's not an African kind of setting, it's a foreign setting, and I tell you, it's really helping the economy. And that's why you know, sometimes I imagine on Saturdays, even before the COVID-19, you see so many of them in the stadium. The stadium is filled up, and I was like, these people, don't they have work? Don't they have what they do? Will somebody just leave his office to go and watch football? Are you getting that? And the stadium will be so filled with people, and these guys are paying money and they are rejoicing, watching football in the stadium. And you get, the reason is because they've created a system that favors them. Even when they are out, they have something in their purse, and one of that system is affiliate marketing. So many white guys out there in US, in UK, in the North America, in Europe, even in Asia, they are affiliate marketers. So you can check that online to confirm, and that's one of the reasons why I decided to integrate that system into this website, so that students can also as well gain something. It shouldn't be just one man thing, but I believe to some extent it's worth doing, because I really appreciate every one of you, and I sincerely congratulate and kudos you for your patience throughout this course. And I know one or two ways, even if I'm not too sure, but I know to some extent you are delighted with the course. But if you have any complaint, feel free to send me a message. I will really reply with love, because I really want to hear from you. If there's anything you still desire to learn, please send me a message. I'll be very, very eager and happy to hear from you. Thank you. So let's just continue with this. So now that we've added the button, this is our first blog, and this blog is a blog with a picture. Now the next blog we'll be creating is a blog with a video. Awesome, right? So now those ones, they call them vlog. I've not really created a vlog website, but I'm going to teach you how to create a blog that has a video. Okay, so let's just move. Now if you notice something, okay, let's just move. Let's continue with what we are doing. So the next thing you're going to do now is we just create a new section. So let's continue like that. So now what I just need to do here is let's just add our padding, our margin, top and bottom 2020. Okay, so the padding is okay. So now what we just need to do, come to this section, you understand the pattern, right? Add, okay, is an image, add a video. Good. So what we just need to do now is we need to, okay, they already have a video there. So I've showed you how to get a video. So one of the things you just need to do is this. So just try to get a video from YouTube or anywhere, your resource. So let me see if I can get a video. Oh, I like this wonderful man, Minister Sunday. Okay, I just want to see if I can get something. And this is, okay, let me just select a video. I want to get something very short. Okay, I think this one is to some extent short. So what I just need to do is to, if it's your video, just copy the URL, then paste it right here. Just paste it. So that's one way. That's one of the way to. So you see, it's already showing. That's one of the way to bring in your video, your YouTube video. It is. But if you don't have a YouTube video inside there, so there's just one. There's something else you need to do. Okay, the aspect ratio. This is aspect. You want to change it to 4:3, but let's leave it to the default ratio. Okay, so that's what we have for now. And as well, there is also another way you can bring in the video into the system. So one of the things you need to do is that you just go to the back end. Then you go to the back end, you upload that file, get the link, then you paste the link here. You can also get your video from your local computer. It might not be on YouTube. So what you just need to do is to generate a link for that particular video, then paste the link here. There are platforms online that help you to generate link for your video. But I will always advise you to get a YouTube channel so that you can use YouTube as a database. Personally, I use YouTube as my database because YouTube has a very large database, and I store my videos there and just bring in just the link into my website. And what I just need to do is to lock up the video so that people won't be able to download it. Now this one is downloadable. This video is downloadable, but I'm not going to download it because that's not what we are doing now. So what you just need to do is that you just need to, when you are doing the video, your video settings, all you just need to do is that don't make it public so that everybody won't see it. Then just bring in the link into this place and copyright it. I would really advise you copyright your videos. If you don't know how to copyright your video, just go to YouTube, check on how can I copyright my YouTube videos. Just follow the tutorials and the patterns, and I tell you, you are good to go. So now we already have a video here, so all we just need to do is let's just duplicate some sections we have here. So sorry, I'm touching the particular side of my mouse. So now I just need to duplicate this section, duplicate. So you just drag it down. So let's just assume this is the content for our video. So good, that's what we have there. So now you might not be asking and say, okay, what if I want people to download this video and I don't want them to just click on the link? Now for here we won't be needing any link because we are not directing them to any website. Though you might want to direct them to a particular website where they can see other videos, no problem. So you just do the same thing we did in the first section. But now you might want them to download this video, you might want them to perhaps you just want to give it to them for free for them to have. Maybe it can even be a tutorial that is in this kind of format, and your students are asking you that we want to download these videos, and you like, okay, maybe you need to pay 1 or 2 amounts for the video. It depends on you. You can just give it free of charge, but sometimes I wouldn't really advise you give your tutorials free of charge for download like that. And the reason is so clear: you will lose the copyright of that particular video. It is your effort, so it's not really advisable if you really want to earn something from it to begin to give it out for download like that. You will lose the copyright because a student you think won't really share it, even if you like, oh, please don't give this video to somebody else. It will shock you. You see the video in the hand of almost any people in less than 3 months. Why? Because the natural nature of a person who truly loves his friend, we want to share that thing. So something you might not really be able to cop. So it's always advisable you protect your documents, then let them come along and stream it. So if they want to get it into their PC, they have to pay 1 or 2 amounts. You understand? To some extent, it also gives them a consciousness of, I bought this, so even if I'm going to give it out, the person might pay as well. It's not being greedy, but to some extent is you are trying to save your copyright, because once the videos begin to go viral like that, you lose your copyright. At that point they might not even know who owns it. So, and nevertheless, even if you want to give it for download free of charge, please, it is always advisable you have a copyright if you still value that video as your own or value that content as your own. This is just an advice, and I believe it's a good one, because when you go to YouTube, you can't just see somebody's video, download it and upload it again. YouTube will block that video if that video has copyright, because their algorithm has a way of detecting videos that already have copyrights. So you understand. And why is YouTube doing that? So that the other person, the real owner of that content, will not suffer loss. Okay, so what we just need to do now is just come to this page, just type download. So you should be able to bring in a content. Okay, if it doesn't bring that, just write file. Wow, so it's not bringing out file. It's not bringing out file. So what we just need to do now is, let's just so to download this particular video, now one of the things you need to do is that you need to have this video. The step I'm going to show you is a very wonderful step, a very advanced step. I wouldn't want to show you what is substandard. So we'll be using a plugin to download this video, to place this video into our website so that our users can download. So now what you just need to do is that you need to have this video. Obviously the video you'll be putting on your website is your video, whereas maybe if you ask somebody to give you his or her video so you can place on your website. So but one of the things you need to do is that you need to have that website inside your PC or your computer or your Windows computer or Mac computer if you're using Apple. So what we are going to do is that we are going to install a plugin. Don't worry, the plugin, I'll be placing the plugin in the link so you can download the plugin and install. Okay, so All you just need to do is that you just go to your dashboard, just find your way into your dashboard. Are you getting that? So you go to plugin, add new. So now please, I want you to install that particular plugin. When you see the plugin is just check around the website, you will see download plugin. So the plugin is there. So what you just need to do is you upload that plugin. Now I've downloaded the plugin already. The plugin is not on the search bar. From what I heard, it's a special kind of plugin. So please, I really like you to also use it well. It's very scarce, so you have to save the plugin in the place where you won't lose it. So in case you have been on other websites that also want to serve that purpose. So what you just need to do is that you need to either choose the file, and this is the file, delightful plugin. So you just tap open, then install now. Though I've already installed it, so when you install now, it will take you to a place where it asks you activate plugin. So you just click on activate plugin. When you click on activate plugin, what you're going to see this downloads. So now if you are there, if you've done that, congratulations. So just follow the steps. So but if you've not, just pause the video, then meet us in this particular stage. So now let's continue. So since you've installed the plugin, I've installed it already, so I don't need to install it again. So what I just need to do is I will go to add new. So we want to add a new video into our website so that people can download. So I'm going to name this Apple headphone. Oh no, Apple headphone. So I think it's a video for the headphone. Pardon me, I can't really type fast like that. Okay, so let's just upload a video. So the video I'm going to upload is not an headphone video. So I just want to look for something for my PC and upload. So now let's select that. Then okay, this is just 2.96 megabyte. So you just tap that, then open. But for me, I've already uploaded that video because it's small in size. So you just upload that. But if you're uploading a video that is large in size, that's not a problem. Feel free to do that. But I'm going to show you how a particular problem you might encounter if your file is too large, and I'm going to teach you how to solve that problem right now. So now, since we already have this video, you selected the video. So what you just need to do is you open. I'm not going to open. I'm just going to select the file. Okay, I will still go through the same process, but I already have the video. So just select the file, then open. So it's going to read just like this. So when it reads, what's going to do is this. You see it in the next step. So it's going to read. So now, as at now, the maximum video I can upload at once, or maximum data I can upload either once or collectively, is 128.0 megabytes. Meaning, if my video is 200 megabytes, I won't be able to upload it. Seriously, that will be an issue, because there are some videos you might want to upload on your website. If your website is for maybe movie kind of website, that obviously is beyond 200 megabytes. So that's a problem. This is a problem. So we are going to solve this problem. But if you are just building a minor website that you don't need to bother yourself about this. But once this video uploads and we set it into our website, we are going to fix that problem right now. So I just want it to upload. It's taking time. So I just need to fast forward it. Okay, so now the video is already available right here. So you just need to do one or two settings and grab your code and fix your video in your website. So now say download count 0. Nobody have downloaded this video. So if people download the video, it begins to count. You see it from your back end here. Now, do you want only members of your website to download this? Yes, no, inherent. Now, if you want people to sign up first before they can download your video, you just tap yes. But if you don't want them to sign up first, you want them to just come in and download, it should be no. Then allow only logged in users to download this file, but you can as well make it inherent. So just make it inherent. So now we can global, so you can also make it to be about us homepage, and please let's just leave it with this particular one. Now open a new browser. So do you want them to, when you download it, it opens a new tab just like we see, but it's not really advisable. You should just leave it with this. You're going to see how this is going to function. This file will attempt to open the browser and window if the file is located within the device download upload directory. You will need to set the folder protection setting to no. Okay, so now for now this video this music does not have category, so let me just give it a category and name it sound. So that's how you can name your category. You can name yours, maybe perhaps this is Moses Bliss songs. So anybody that's coming to your website knows that every song under this particular category are only meant for Moses Bliss. So that's one of the good things about category. It helps you arrange your website and mix your albums and as well your videos and pictures and whatever you are doing in your website that has different categories. It helps you to arrange them. So I think we are good to go. So now you can replace, if you don't want this file, you can just replace it by uploading another one, so to clean up this one. But we are not doing that, so let's publish this. So now when we publish it, it's going to generate us a code. Then I'm going to show how to use that code now. So it has generated us a short code. So just copy it from the brackets to the other bracket. Control C, you are light, then Control C. Now come to Elementor. So what you need to do now is that this one here, we don't need to buy anything here. We want to download the video. So one of the things you need to do is, now we need to apply a technique for this thing to really work well. Now we want to get a touch button. We can just remove this button and just follow the normal procedure, but the button will not be customizable. Are you getting that? If you don't know how to code, you need to customize the button. So I want to teach you how to get an advanced kind of button and be able to customize it with the same link there. So now what you just need to do is just come to this place, type HTML. Now drag this into this box. So tap this, then paste that code, Ctrl V. Are you getting that? So now what you need to do is you need to update. So once you update that, you come to your live website. Though this one is refreshing automatically because you are previewing, but if yours is not refreshing, just refresh it. So what you'll be seeing now is that you'll be seeing two buttons. You'll be seeing the normal button we have here. Then this one, another button was generated for it, but it's not really a touch button. Look at the button. Not really a touch one. It's a button that looks like code itself. So now what we just need to do is just right click, then copy link. Good. Now come to Elementor, then now double tap this one. Come to this particular portion, then paste the link inside here. Good. So for this one, we don't need this one. You can only use it to get that link. Because when you paste this brackets kind of link here into this place, it won't work. So that's why you need to first do that, launch it, so it can generate you the normal website URL download link. So that's the reason why we did that. So you just right click this one, sorry for that, right click, then delete. We don't need that again. So now let's see if our video is going to download. Good. So now it's refreshing by itself. So I won't download this video. I'm going to download it, but I won't allow the download to complete because I already have the video in my PC. So now let's tap and see. Good. Now you see it's downloading that video. Can you see that? So the video is downloading. Okay, let me leave it, so let's see if it's going to play. So but while it downloads, let's continue what we are doing. So now we already have a picture blog, a video blog, and now the next thing we just need to do, you can change this to download. So by now is not appropriate for that kind of call to action, so just download video. download video. Okay, so I think we are good to go. So that's it. Okay, so we already have it in. So let's see. It was an intro. Okay, so now it's playing and it's good to go. So that's okay. So now, the next one we're going to do is that we are going to create a video and music blog. Okay, since we already know how to build a video blog, now let's build a music blog that will be having either a video or a picture. So what I just need to do is to just make this better blog. So let me just duplicate this and drag it down because it's missing there. It's missing there. Okay, so let's just add this header here. Good. So I think we are good to go to some extent. So that's so now the next thing we just need to do, let's come to Elementor. So we just need to drag that same header. Obviously the header we are using won't be the same thing, you know. I'm just taking you through this course, so it won't take too much time. WordPress has made life easy, and I bless God for this invention sincerely. Can't imagine writing those loads of code. Seriously, just can't imagine writing those loads of codes. I think I just ended up dragging two things here. So let me drag this other one back. Okay, so I think that's good to go. So let's just continue with what we are doing. So now let's get a section. Let's just put an image in that section. So let's assume that it's a section that will be having an image for a, okay, let's add an image into that section. So we are just believing that it's a section that will be having an image for song. So let's just add just this image there to just make feel for feeling's sake. Okay, so we have the image. Let's assume this is the album of a song, or the image, the picture or the image of a song. So now once we write a short description about that song, so what we just need to do, let's just do the usual thing, duplicate this. So we won't have to be writing loads of, we won't have to start copying and pasting and all those, understand? So let's just drop it here. So we are good to go. So that's the album for our music. Now what we need to now do is that we need to add music into this particular section. Now there are two ways you can add music with Elementor. So one of the things you need to do is this: you just come to this section. So when you come to this section, I think this is one of the best way to add music. So let's just type audio. So now you see audio. So just drag in that audio into this section. Good. Now this guy is not meant to be on top, so let's bring it below. So now this audio section, what we just need to now do now is that they said add audio. So we just tap the add audio. It will bring us to this place. So we already have a sound here. So let's tap that sound. Okay, so let's add to widgets. So now it has introduced that sound into the widget. So when you tap this, the sound is playing. So now if they want to listen to it, so what you just need to do is just bring in a little header close to this one, then just type listen to music or whatever. Listen to the music, you know, just like a call to action. So obviously when they see this, they know, yes, it's time to listen to this boy here. So let's just change the color of this one, make it something that looks like our okay, so our groove. So now as well, this section can help them to download it, but to some extent some people might not, you know, some people, they are not, I want to look for the right word to use. quite a lot of people that use the net don't really know how to solve the net. You understand? So they might just play this, enjoy the song, and they might want to download it. If you don't generate a button or a feature that looks like this kind of thing, they might not know where to download it from, and they will end up saying your website is not too useful, and you understand. So because they won't just think of coming to this place to download. So if I tap this, the song begins to download. Can you see it's already downloaded here? So let me just cancel that. So now let's just go back to our plugin, the dashboard. So now one of the things we just need to do again is that we just need to add. So you just add new. You add new. Good. So when you add new, that other one is there. So let's just say demo song. So this is another way to also upload the song that can be downloaded. So just tap, then select. So it should load very fast. Oh, so I still need to solve this problem. Pardon me. Let me quickly finish that particular section of the audio and the blog, whatever. So now that it's 100, we should be seeing the next call to action. Okay, I'm waiting for you, bro. Okay, so now we already have the song. So you see the format is MP3. So the setting is okay. So what you just need to do is that same process, just publish. So now when you publish, you just need to grab this code. So when you grab the code, you understand this word the way we did it the other time. So you just come to this particular place, get HTML. Good. So just add this and just tap and add the code. So update. So this is another pattern of getting it done, but please, you just have to do this. So because just like the example I stated earlier, that some people just don't know how to solve the net. They want to see figures. They are just used to some. They are used to some figures already. They are used to some patterns already, but the net is advancing sincerely, and if you are not advancing with it, you'll be outdated sincerely. So what we just need to do is come to this place, add the link, then change the writing to download music. Oh no, I just need download music. Good. So just update. So meaning that if they couldn't find this, they were not patient enough to locate these 3 dots, or they don't even know what the 3 dot means, they can always download the music from this angle. So that is how you get that done. So I'm really happy I could walk you through this blog section. So all with the knowledge of the design, you understand of how to build 1 or 2 designs, so you can just get something beautiful, get solve the WordPress theme, get a nice theme. There's nothing as good as learning and exploring, because when you begin to explore, you learn new things beyond the class sincerely. And the reason why I obviously I can't teach you everything about WordPress, but the best I can do for you is to teach you the major things you need to know, and these are the major things. Once you can navigate around these things, seriously, you are one of the best out there. So I also advise you that for more details and about WordPress, you can try the University of YouTube. You understand what I'm trying to say? So the University of YouTube is a very good resource. You don't need to pay for school fees, but you just pay for data. So get videos online, do more things, do wonderful things. I'll be very, very happy if I can see the URL link of your website and I go through it and I was like, wow, I'm proud of this person. You understand? So please, it's learning outside the class is very, very crucial, very, very paramount. So I'm happy to take you through this particular section. But before I close this section of the blog, so I'm going to update this because we'll be joining everything in our menu. So now let's solve that problem I said we're going to solve. So now the problem of the upload. So now let's go to media. When we go to media, let's see what we have there. So obviously, so everything we've been uploading right from time, you can see them in the media. So now the issue we are having now is this, is that we can't upload beyond. Let me show you something. Upload. So we can't upload beyond 128 megabytes. Good. So now what we just need to do now, let's go to plugins. We are going to install a plugin that will help us to increase that to 1 gig. Add new. So now let's just type upload. So there's a particular plugin I use. Okay. File upload. I think I didn't type in. Okay, good. So this is it. So now this is the particular plugin I'm looking for. So it has the ability to increase it to 512 megabytes, but this is still small compared to what this plugin can do. Look at it, it has 5-star rating. Very, very wonderful. So now look at what's going to do. So the name is WP increase upload. So what I wrote there is file upload because that's what I used to search it out. So the real name is WP increase upload file size. So we can just install now. So when we install now, it's just a simple click, then we get that subbed. Okay, so now that we already have that, we should be seeing the settings around. So if you've done that, just follow me. Okay, so just come here, WP upload limit, tap that. That is what you will see. So once you tap it, it's going to show you. Okay, good. So now choose maximum upload file size. So we want to choose the one we want. So we are going to tap it. So we are going to expand it to. But if you are using a paid hosting, please feel free to do this. Now when you do that, so okay, current time limit. So one of the things we just need to do is just increase this to 120. I'm touching a spot in my. Let's increase it to 120. So I think that's okay. So just save changes. So it has been saved. Now let's see what we have here. Now let's just refresh, cancel this, then refresh to see what we have. Okay, so let's just see what we have. Just tap this image and choose. Now you see maximum upload file size 1 gig. So meaning that I can bring in a video of 900 megabytes into this website. So that's how to solve this problem. Nice having you. Thanks for having my time, and I'm so happy to have your time. See you in the next section.